Okay, pal, it's me. Here's my tour of my trolling motor and battery setup. Here we go. So here's the Canoe. Hope you're doing well, by the way. Say hi to Karen. Here's the trolling motor, Minn Kota. It's got like a motorcycle grip here with off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forward. 5 really kicks you into high gear. Actually, the way this turns out, this is approximately equivalent to 1 mile an hour, just the way it turns out. 2 miles an hour, and it gets me up to about 5 miles an hour. Not knots, 5 miles an hour. And then you got a couple reverse. I haven't really tried that yet. But there it is there. Color here. And this is the little transom I made for the Canoe. It's just bolted through the gunnel, and then this is wedged down here. I added this because this was racking a little bit when I put it on high speed here. And then this comes with a cable about this long, but it came with 2 battery ends, so I bought these connectors from PowerWerx, PowerWerx.com. They're called Anderson connectors. Really, really nice heavy-duty connectors. And then I actually had them made up, this connector that mates up with the other connector, of course, and that goes into the ammo box, which is where I keep the battery. There's the battery. It's I think it's a 50, yeah, 50, so you can see it there, 50 amp hour battery. And then this is the circuit breaker on top. This is velcroed on. I won't pull it off. So the red comes from the motor into the load side, and then it connects up to the battery. So the circuit goes through this 50 amp breaker. Basically, you just press that on. Now it's on, and that trips it off. And then so it turns back on. And then all I did was I drilled a hole in the top here. Bought a bought a little voltmeter. I don't know if you can see it there. It's LED, but it's reading 14.1 volts. Probably should get an analog one because it's really hard to see in the sun. But if you can, yeah, there you go. If I cover it up a little bit, well, whatever. It says 14.1. That's a nice little battery box. It measures about 10 inches by 10 inches by about 5 inches. And I just stuck a little piece of foam in here to keep the battery from moving around. And then I also have a everything's fuse protected, so I got a little fuse here to protect the between the battery and the aux, or in the voltmeter. So there it is. I got a little cell phone here. That's my Navionics, Navionics app. Really, really awesome. Free, generally free. And then here is the battery charger to charge that battery. And you notice I have the same connector on here. So I just plug that into there to and then plug it into the wall to connect up. So there it is, man. It's just a clamp on here. You can see a piece of oak, thicker piece of oak, screwed and glued into that vertical piece. So it really works out well. This goes up and down, of course. Undo this, and that'll move it, the whole unit down. I don't know if you can see it. It's falling off. Oh, geez. But you can see the whole unit moves up and down, so you can put it as deep in the water as you want. A little skeg down there, that's what's holding that up. So, pretty nice unit. This was about, I think it was about $250 or $275 or something. Really nice unit. And it's 45 pounds of thrust. Got a little battery indicator up here that frankly I've never even looked at. So maybe I should look at that next time. So there it is. Good stuff, man. See ya.